Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting fast. Plug the Xbox Series X into power and HDMI, then press the Xbox button to wake it. Sign in with your Microsoft account so saves, Game Pass, and cloud features sync. Once done, choose wired Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi for stable downloads. Insert a disc or find your purchased title in store and begin the download. Make sure the console shows install progress on Home My Games. This avoids launch errors later. Once the game files are on disk, prioritize system and game updates so you run the latest code and avoid crashes. You should move large titles to the internal 1 TB SSD or a compatible external NVMe for best performance. Make sure there's enough free space. Pair your controller by holding the Xbox button and syncing. Then go into settings to set HDR, 60 or 120 Hz display, and audio output. These steps reduce lag and ensure consistent visuals. Now launch the game and follow its first-time setup or tutorial so controls and saves are established. Create a manual save point and make sure cloud saves are enabled to protect progress across consoles. If you plan to play online, confirm Xbox Live status and consider wired Ethernet to lower latency. If you hit issues, reboot the console, clear persistent storage in settings, and reinstall the title as a last step. These fixes resolve most launch and corruption problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.